welcome to Sarah's Stamping Retreat. Today we're going to be using this gorgeous 3D embossing folder of the month from Spellbinders to create two different cards. So I've cut a piece of cardstock that's 8.5 by 5.5 inches and I've embossed it with that gorgeous embossing folder. And you can see the dimension you get on those flowers there, and then you get this lovely lattice pattern as well. And I'm going to use my alcohol markers just to colour this in. And basically I'm using the embossing folder to kind of create my colouring image, so it'll be like no line colouring once we're finished. And I like to cover the image with the lightest of the colours that I'm using to start off with, and then I like to go in with some brush strokes from the bottom in a darker colour, and then I'll finish with a third darkest colour, and I'll just do a little bit round the bottom of the flower for that. And I'm using my Ultra Artist markers here, which come in sets of colours, which is really handy, but this darker colour at the bottom is quite a lot darker than the next colour up, so when that happens then I go back in with that mid colour and just kind of blend it out a little bit, and it helps it just to kind of blend in a little. And then I'll go with some blues for the centre of the flower. So then I'm going to continue on and colour that whole panel. So there's the finished coloured panel. So I'm just going to cut that down to make our cards. So then the glimmer of the month for this month is a cute sentiment set. So you get Mum with a U, Mom with an O, and Dad, and then you get all sorts of little sentiments that can go with those or go on their own. So it's got like forever my role model, you inspire me daily, to my brother, forever my partner in crime, your hugs are the best, you're my hero, my lifelong friend, to my sister, you taught me to dream big, your support means the world. So you get the mums and the dad, but then obviously it can be used for friends, for your siblings, for all sorts of different cards. And all of the sub-sentiments come on this press plate, and the two mums and the dad come on this one, and then you get the dies to go with it to cut them out. So it's really easy to do because it's a one pass system. So I'm going to use this Mum Thanks for Everything. And when you get the Glimmer of the Month kit, you not only get the glimmer plates, but you also get foil. So it's a really nice way to build up your foil collection. And this month's is this prism one. I've got the piece that I used here. So you can see it's kind of silver, but it's also got that kind of aurora effect to it. So I'm going to use the Mum Thanks for Everything, but then I've got all of these sentiments to use on other cards. So I cut the piece of embossed cardstock in half, and then I've cut this down slightly so it's 4 by 5.25 inches. I'm just going to glue that onto a navy card blank. So I'm just going to pop my sentiment up on foam strips. So then there's that first card finished. And then for my second card, because this piece was a bit plainer, I cut it down a little further. So I've got a navy card blank again. I've got a piece of coral cardstock that is 3 3/4 by 5 inches. So then I cut this down so it's 1/8 of an inch smaller than the coral piece. And then I'm going to use this Little Hello Sentiments stamp and die set. This is an older one that you probably have seen me use a lot before if you follow my channel. So it comes with the 3 layers of hello, and then it also comes with this set of sub-sentiments and a die to cut them out. So I'm going to just heat emboss those sentiments in white onto navy cardstock. So you can see this piece of navy cardstock's getting a good workout today. I've done all those sentiments from it. So this is another kind of one and done type thing. So you stamp them all together and then die cut them all out together. So I'm going to heat emboss that in white. And obviously you could use something like this as opposed to the sentiment we used on the other stamp set if you don't have a hot foil machine. So now we've got all of these sub-sentiments And you can see that I store all the spare ones in here, so then I've got them to come to if I need them again. So let's glue the layers of our hello together. And then let's glue the pieces of our card together. So I'm going to add some foam pads behind these. And then we've got another really pretty card. I quite like the fact that because of the nature of the embossing folder, you get two quite different cards, one that's kind of full on floral and one where you've got a bit of space to make the sentiment the main focus. I'd love to know which is your favourite. Please do let me know in the comments below. So I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, I'd appreciate you clicking like below. You can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that I've used for today's cards are listed in the description below. And there's also a link there to my blog where you can find a picture supply list if that helps you find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.